Hi everyone, I'm Waigo Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. Apparently, I'm a 13-year-old boy. Hi everyone, I'm Waigo Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Waigo stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you have stopped by because you're curious what I received in the June Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. All right, well, this Ipsy Glam Bag Plus has nowhere to go but up. I just did my unboxing of the June Boxy Luxe. If you missed that, check it out. It was an okay box. Therefore, I have a feeling this $25 bag will be spectacular. For those who aren't aware, Ipsy is a beauty subscription. They have 3 different tiers: a $12 a month bag, a $25 a month bag, which is the one I get, and every quarter you can upgrade and spend $55 to get the Glam Bag X. All right, so what do you get? I know I picked my items, and at the time you pick your items, they show you the other stuff. Do I remember? No. Was that a really long time ago? Yes. All right, so here is the bag for the month of June. It says, have fun, love, yes, OMG. And there is a nice little rainbow. It is Pride Month in June, so yay to Ipsy for supporting that. So I did receive 2 brushes outside of the bag. I believe these are add-ons. They're from F.A.R.A.H. They're very soft. This one's a little dense, which I appreciate. And this one is not. That will be good for like highlighting. This will be good for contouring or eyes. And then they're different but very similar. This one I can see for highlighting or eyes. Anyways, I got 2 brushes. Okay, let's start with the first item. What is this? Okay, so this is from AHAVA, and it is the Time to Hydrate Active Moisture Gel Cream. All right, you had me at hydrate. You really had me at gel cream. And AHAVA, I have not tried a face product. I have a hand cream from them. What does this retail for? Are you kidding me? This is $72. It says AHAVA, not 111 Skin. Oh my goodness. It's 75 milliliters, which for a face cream, that's like more than double what you normally get. Okay, I'm loving the first product. A little shocked. Okay, next item. What is this? It's a little squished. We have from REALHER, I Am Extraordinary Power Wear Probiotic Foundation. A foundation? I just so don't remember any of the items, my selections, what I chose. Why do things not come out of boxes for me? Oy. Okay. So there we have the foundation. What are the claims and how much does this bad boy cost? Okay, so the Power Wear Probiotic Foundation in the shade I Am Extraordinary. Yeah, I am. Retails for $36. That's more money than I would ever spend on a foundation, but glad to get it in my box. It claims this is blendable, buildable, and infused with probiotics. So let's see how good the old color matches. Ooh, that is a little light, but doable. Doesn't seem to have an obnoxious smell either, because lately the foundations I'm getting have a very chemically smell. Okay, on to the next item. What do we have here? Ooh, this is from Tarte, and it's the Sea Hydrocealer Concealer in the shade 12N Fair Neutral. Wow, a foundation and concealer in the same box? Ipsy, what you doing? That's really good. Let's pray this is a good shade match. That will be lovely. And it has the typical Tarte scent, kind of floral and chemical all in one. The Sea Hydro Concealer retails for $25. I would never pay $25 for a concealer, but I have purchased Tarte concealers before. You just got to shop a really good sale, and they do have some good sales and pretty frequently. Just check out for that. Wow, 3 for 3. Next item. All right, what is this? We have from GIRLACTIK a Perfect Pair Eyeliner Duo in Perfect Browns. Ooh, did I select that? I do not recall, but it's nice to get not a shade that isn't black, you know? Although I always use black eyeliners. But there we go. One, I presume, will be a pencil, and the other, yep. So we have a very fine tip there. Do a swatch. And then the other is going to be, yep. And let me see if I can tell. I think it's a felt tip. Ooh, I like how dark they are. It's a brown, but they're very chocolatey brown. That will be lovely. Okay, we are 4 for 4. Wow, these retail for $39 for the pair. That's a little pricier than I would pay, but that's what's so good about these subscription boxes. All right, last item is this little guy here from, I'm going to butcher it. It's MAAPILIM, and it's an eye cream with vitamin C and quinoa extract. What? Okay, it does come safety sealed. Quinoa, I didn't know that you could put that in skincare. What does this retail for? $39. Okay, well, it is an eye cream. And it's half a fluid ounce. All right, there is an additional item. I don't recall making any add-on purchases, so I'm just going to share it. This is from Context Skin. It's a nude balm in all or nothing, and it retails for $20. The brushes retail for $18 each. Wow, that's a little pricey. One is a contour and blend brush, and the other is a concealer and set brush. Don't know which is which. I'm thinking these might be add-ons, but not sure. Okay, let me recap what I got. This is a really good box. Good job, Ipsy. I like all of my products. That's all I can ask for. Do I like all 5 of my products? I do. And then to get a foundation and concealer from any beauty subscription, let alone in the same box, my mind is... All right, let's recap. So I got 2 double-ended beauty brushes. Possibly these are add-ons. I also got a nude lip balm, also probably an add-on. I got a concealer from Tarte, a foundation with a really good shade match from REALHER, an eye cream, a very expensive gel moisturizer, and a duo of chocolate espresso brown eyeliners. What are your thoughts? This is a really good box. I'm super excited. I'm going to list on the screen the grand total. And then hopefully I will post in editing if I figure out if these were add-ons or if somehow I ended up with 3 extra products. It's so funny how Ipsy and BoxyCharm are now owned by the same company, but the way they email you and when you place your order is so different. With BoxyCharm, I know if I make add-ons because I get a separate email that lists all of my add-ons. They also get mailed separately. So, confused, but what else is new? I'm super excited. I like everything I received. Let me know if you got a good box, what you think of my box, and if you're as loopy when it comes to remembering or knowing what your add-ons are like I am. God, I hope not. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love for you to subscribe. For those who have, thank you. If you could do me a favor and click this guy right there, it looks like this. It means so much to me, and it really does help with the YouTube algorithm. If you haven't done so yet, please, if you're subscribed, follow the link above. Go do all the steps that are in that video so you can participate in my 500 subscriber giveaway. It is right around the corner. All right. Thanks, everyone.